The Toyota CHR has been on sale in Australia for a few years now, but as part of the 2020 update, the Japanese auto giant is offering a hybrid powertrain option. It is one of the only hybrids available in the small SUV market segment. In fact, the Subaru XV hybrid is the key rival, according to the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries. Just the Koba trim level is available with the hybrid, which means it comes with all the fruit. This test car shows off the Nebula blue and black contrast roof option, which will set you back an additional $950. It looks quite sporty though, matching various trimmings such as the lower skirting and black side mirrors. All models are built on Toyota's recent TNGA platform and feature a comprehensive multi-link rear suspension setup, which is not that common in this class, particularly for a front-wheel drive. The suspension provides high-quality ride and handling, and the Koba uses 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in sporty 225/50 tyres. The interior is very comfortable. Toyota has done an excellent job in mixing futuristic design themes into something that is also very practical and user-friendly. Being the Koba variant means it comes with a leather trim too, which feels soft and durable. However, power-adjustable front seats are not included, despite being the top model. Passenger space in the front is good, with perfect driver ergonomics. But in the back, passengers might feel claustrophobic, as the C-pillar is very chunky. The high window sill doesn't help. Aside from that, legroom and headroom in the back is very decent for this specific class. We love the convenient cup holders in the doors. Boot space is pretty tight for this class. Essentially, the load area is raised up, and there's a space-saver spare wheel under the floor. Some pockets placed on the sides are handy for smaller items. As for the engine, it's the same 90 kilowatt hybrid that's found in the Corolla. And look, it's not very quick, especially in the CHR, as it's about 60 kilograms heavier. Being slow is one thing, but at least this offers exceptional real-world fuel economy. We averaged just 5 litres per 100 kilometers during our week of testing. This is what it goes like.